I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today it's my sister. Okay, so today I'm gonna vlog. I'm with my family. Oh, you can see me in the background. Anyways, let me turn around. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog. We're basically going IKEA, and I think you guys can tell by the title we're going IKEA to finally buy the famous Alex drawers from IKEA, which every beauty YouTuber has. And yeah, I finally decided to get one because like my makeup drawer right now is currently exploding. So I really need to get some new storage for my makeup. And I know I've had a lot of requests. This was like highly requested ever since I started YouTube, for you guys to see my makeup collection. I don't really have much of a makeup collection like most YouTubers do. Kind of show you guys briefly later in a bit my makeup, just briefly, so you guys can see that my makeup, I don't really have much of a makeup collection. But yeah, we're gonna go IKEA. We always love going to IKEA together as a family. And then I realized afterwards, I was like, damn it, we need to take 2 cars now because we're buying something that needs space in the car. And then like I've got my nephew as well, who's taking up the space with his buggy and everything. So we're gonna take 2 cars. I'm gonna go alone in my car because I'm gonna put the storage in my car. So the rest of my family can go in my sister's car. But yeah, let me just quickly show you guys my makeup collection, which is currently very messy right now, unorganized. Let me show you guys. So this is basically where I keep all my makeup. This drawer at the bottom is currently empty, which I emptied. Let me open it. This one had like a lot of rubbish in it, and this one is where I keep my makeup, which is kind of like almost full right now. So yeah, I really need a new storage for makeup. As you can see, that's all my I don't really have much kind of products in here, as you can tell, like most YouTubers do. My lip products at the back is just like a few foundations, face masks, hair stuff, and then here I just got lots of random bits like individual eyeshadows and like blushes and small face masks and primers and contour primers, color correctors, and then here's all the palettes. And then at the back I've got kind of like I think perfumes, like body sprays, and this is just empty Lush boxes at the back, which I keep. I don't know why I keep them actually. And then I've got this bag at the back which has some makeup products which I don't use. So yeah, I don't really have much of a collection. I really can't wait to get my Alex drawers so I can finally start organizing my makeup section. And again, this is only part of the brushes I have. I keep them away in my other cupboard. I'm gonna obviously get another cup, a bigger cup. Obviously this isn't enough for the makeup brushes that I have. As you can see, it's like sticking out and everything, so I need something for that as well. All of this is gonna go with the Alex drawers when I get it, these boxes and everything. So we're gonna get rid of this stuff over here once I get the Alex drawers. And I'm planning on putting it in that corner over there. That's Nila over there sleeping away. Nila! Oh, she's sleeping. So everyone right now is like eating downstairs, and like my mom is screaming, telling me to come downstairs. So I'm gonna go eat, and then we're gonna leave in a bit after we eat. So I'll see you guys in a bit in IKEA. Okay, I've made it to IKEA, and I managed to find a parking spot. So now I just need to find my sister. Where is she? I need to find the rest of them. And just wait at the entrance. Can't see them. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah. Run to the left. Run. Yeah. Run. Oh God. Oh, I twisted my ankle. Oh my God. Oh my God, what's that all over his face?
Woman.
Very busy today, it's a Sunday. Say hi.
Yeah, I've got toothpaste on my top.
Why do you have toothpaste on my top?
Nivii, did you press the button?
Oh.
You didn't press the button.
No. I forgot to press the button. Okay, these guys are going to help me find the drawers. Innit, Amla?
Yeah. Nivii, please.
Nithya. Are we getting anything else today apart from that?
I need some bags and a dustbin, and if there's anything for the
Yeah.
decoration.
So she's come here to look for Dashik's baby stuff. Why is this here? Just vlogging. I still feel awkward. Huh?
Why do you feel awkward?
Vlogging. I feel like everyone's staring at me.
Yeah. Maybe this one's nice.
This is what I'm getting.
Maybe this one's nice.
No, that's not going to be enough. Yeah.
Too much makeup.
She thinks this is too much.
What are you gonna?
Yeah. So this is what I need. Right now, I think it might take only a few drawers. Take up a few drawers. But for now, this is what I need because I don't want to buy any. Hi, baby. My outfit. Nithya's outfit.
Yeah.
Over ma. I found it. All thanks to my sister. She found it. I'm gonna take 2 of these.
I'll take one.
You take
For
one?
my office.
Your office?
Yeah.
Oh, for your pens.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? Smell it.
Yeah.
It smells good.
How about this? Coconut. Oh, what's it? No.
Green. Vanilla.
That's vanilla.
That's a typical vanilla one. That's nice, I think. Maybe this one is delicious.
No, that's too small.
Put popcorn in there.
I think this one's perfect for my makeup brushes.
See, I found it different time for you.
Yep. She found it.
What is popcorn invest?
Can I put this in here?
If he sleeps, it'll be perfect.
Can I put this in here,
Yeah,
please?
so then I could...
I'm like, can you hold this, please? Put it in here.
No.
Gee, I might get this one for the big face brushes. Oh, what's this? What do you think for face brush?
Yeah.
Yeah? Not too high, yeah? Yeah.
Just back and forth.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one. So let me put this one away.
Okay.
Small one.
Okay. What we do mix. It's gonna have to carry it and fix it.
She found it.
Oh,
She found it.
Let's run.
Look, the trolley's leaving her.
Oh, here it is.
So we're gonna carry this, us girls.
This is gonna fit in the car.
But are you sure that's which one is it? This one.
Alex Rod, yeah. Do you think it'll fit in my car?
Ew. So Nivi's gonna do this all by herself.
Oh my god!
That's it, Lily. Well done.
Up, upright.
No.
You're upright.
Upright.
So it's easier for us to.
Oh fuck, wait.
Where's the barcode? Because you know you need to scan it first.
Oh, it's the other way.
As long as they barcode it, it's fine.
It's upside down. I can
Do you need help?
wait. I need to turn this. Can you guys help me?
Okay, let me turn this
Wait,
off.
I got it.
She needs to show her YouTubers that she's a man. Ooh, you just broke it.
I did it. Do you think it's broken?
Okay, look at this.
In the video, yeah?
Don't.
Come here with me.
Okay, we can go now.
How do you feel, Lily? Accomplished.
Come, let's go. Let's go do that. Come sit.
Gloria, can you put my food chair, please?
Sit.
Soon in a little while, they'll let you go how you need.
Finished eating, and this one's sleeping. Them sleeping inside.
Maybe it's not, there's only 5 pages.
What?
They're all the same.
It's Monday now, and I don't know if you can tell by the quality I'm filming on my other camera because I'm vlogging at home. So I thought might as well use this camera because I hate the quality of my other camera. So I'm just gonna use this one today. And basically it's Monday. Yesterday we went IKEA, and basically I'm gonna fix it now. Yeah, because I can't wait, and yeah, I just can't wait to organize my makeup and everything in this new Alex drawer. This is basically how it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it yesterday, and let you guys watch me do it. And the battery is only like, it's only 25% battery, so not gonna last long, but we'll just do with what we got. Right, so hopefully you guys can see me. I know I look like a tramp right now because I just come home from work. So I just changed my top outfit to something very comfortable and baggy. I don't care how I look like because obviously I'm gonna get down and dirty with this stuff, so I don't care about how my outfit or hair looks like or makeup or whatsoever. Okay, so let's begin. I don't know how I'm gonna start. We're just gonna ignore that. So it's the next day and I just come back from work. It's like 7 o'clock now. Had dinner, so I've had my dinner, so now I'm gonna get cracking with organizing. The best part, I'm gonna finally start organizing my makeup. And I know the camera kind of died yesterday. I did mention that the battery was low, so let me show you guys the finished product. And this is the finished product. Yes, it took me like 2 hours yesterday to fix this, so yeah, it's perfect to fit my makeup in. I haven't got proper storage units to put my actual makeup in, and yeah, I'm gonna start organizing. I've got my tripod here so you guys can watch me organize, and yeah, we're gonna get cracking. I know this bedding's gonna stain, I know this makeup's gonna stain my bedding, so I'm just gonna put the scarf on top so I can just wash the scarf in case if I get any makeup stains on it. It's a bit messy, it looks like it's all over the place, but basically I've divided it into skincare, lips, and then here I've got foundation, primers, color correctors, and setting sprays, so like the face stuff. And here I've got eyes, eyeshadow palettes. I've already put it in the top big drawer, so the first big drawer. That's all the eyeshadow palettes. I'll show you guys in a bit, a close-up. So eyes here with the false lashes, and then here I've got blush, contour and highlight. Yeah, so that's everything, and now I'm just gonna put everything inside. Okay, so I've pretty much emptied this drawer. Needs a bit of cleaning, it's just like pen marks over there. And I've also got this drawer kind of free, so now I've got like 2 extra drawers to put more clothes in, of course. And then here, Nila is a little kitty. So, oh, okay. He's a little kitty. Okay, so in the first drawer, I've basically I've got my skincare. So it's just like masks over here. Obviously everything that's in this cabinet is not stuff that I use every day. So the skincare is not stuff that I use every day. I use like every other day, every 3 days or so, call it. And then I'm just going to briefly show you everything very quick because there's not much here. And then so here I've got all the foundations and face mists, primers, and then powders over here. So that's all the face. And here I've got highlighters, contours, highlighters, that's including concealers, so I don't really have much concealers over here. Obviously, again, makeup wise, all the makeup that I use on an everyday basis is not in here. And blushes, so it's like it's contour, highlight and blush. And here I've got all the lipsticks. This section I might get like a little trays to section it. And here is all the eye makeup, so that's like the individual eyeshadows and eyeshadow glitter pigments and everything. Here is the eyeliner, so that's the colored liquid liners, glitter liners, lashes, false lashes, and then whatever you call that, which I never use, eyelash color. And here I've got all the eyeshadow palettes. And then here is just like hair products, hair flowers. Here I've got like the Asian bits, like bindi, earrings, little bits and bobs. Hair products, hair oils. And that's my, what's in here? Hair rollers, hairspray. Here is like body, so it's like bath bombs and sunscreen, wax, body creams and stuff. And then the last one is just like pointless drawers, just like random bits, the stuff I don't even use, I don't know where to put them, so I put it here. And then there's just like an empty bag. So yeah, this is the last one. So that's everything. Again, there's a lot of space. Even though I've got pretty much quite a lot of stuff, there's still a lot of space in these drawers. So these are like perfect for makeup. And again, since I got this cabinet, it's given me 2 extra spaces. It's giving me like extra space to store my clothes in the other cupboards. And I'm gonna put my makeup brushes here, but the thing is, I know you saw me buy 2 of the cups, whatever you call it, brush holders in IKEA, but the thing is, my sister, I accidentally put it in my sister's bag, so it's gone to Luton with her, so she's taking it with her to Luton. So yeah, next time when she comes or when I go there, I'm gonna bring that and then put my makeup brushes on top of this. So that's everything there. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's a longer vlog than usual, and again, it was split in like 3 days: buying, fixing, and then organizing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and you guys got to see a bit of my you guys got to see my makeup collection, which I've had a lot of requests on. So yeah, glad I finally filmed that part, even though I don't really have much of a collection compared to like an average YouTuber. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a video from me. But yeah, I'm gonna head off and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Comes and goes.